McNamara saved this chapter that day. Who was Elijah more like? He was our elder before McNamara. Bright guy, but just between you and me, he was a little off. Our mission is to recover and preserve the technology of the past, but Elijah wanted more. He sought ways to improve upon technology, make it better. When we found Helios 1, he was like a kid in a candy store. Kept talking about the potential and a grand design never realized. He even insisted we set up our base there, against the objection of nearly every paladin. What followed is a whole other story.
Alright.
Bye.
Well, we won't be usurping McNamara. Let's get on this. Now, where is the closest one, please, sir? Alright. He's over here by the cave. No, wait. Yeah. Is he up here? Yeah, he is. He's up here. I remember this little... I'm about to walk right. Yeah, he is up there. Okay, we got to go up there. We'll go in there too. We'll check out that place as soon as I talk to Mr. Man over here. As soon as the game allows me to jump, why won't you just... Can't just jump, can you? You gotta get all stupid. You gotta get all stupid, man. Is he running or something? No, it's those two guys down there. Okay. Did I just... I know he... Dun dun! Here he is. Hey.
What do you want? And don't try anything funny.
What?
My purpose here is none of your concern. Now leave me be, or I'll be forced to defend myself. What do you want? And don't... You speak truly, for it is unlikely that an outsider would know both the Elder's name and that passphrase. Very well. I've been observing the penal facility there in the distance for some time now, after having followed some rather disturbing rumors. The facility was run by the NCR for a time, but the prisoners overcame their guards and now use the prison as a base from which to conduct raids. What puzzles me is why these men have been allowed to run wild for so long unchecked. Why has the NCR not retaken this place? Give this to the Elder. My observations are all within. Perhaps he will have a better idea of what this situation portends.
Ooh. Mm. Alright, where's the puny cave at? Let's go.
Damn it! Damn it!
We're good, Willow. We got it. We got it, girl. Huh. Oh yeah, we already came. Yeah, we came from that way. Queen?
Did you see that?
Well, that was fun.
Where'd you come from?
I thought they were going to have an enlightening conversation, but they didn't. All right, let's head south. No, what I want to do is I want to set up... No. There we go. We need to go this way, don't we? Yep. Need to head south. We'll probably, yeah, we'll walk around the prison. Alright, well, we just had a game crash. What in the world are we going to do here? That's right, we are headed towards the south, which is this way. I don't want to jump up on all those damn rocks, and we'll just go this way. We'll just see. I don't even think yeah, I did. I went over there to the cross in the beginning of the game and got killed by a bunch of damn rad scorpions. I'm starting to see all my mistakes all over again. If any damn powder gangers want to raise their arms at me, get a 12 gauge double-aught buck in their face. Double-aught buck. Double-aught buck. That's what I meant to say. Give me that mesquite. Mesquite! It's a random skeleton. Never fear. What's going on? What's going on? Alright, yep. Looks like we gotta look out for them, don't we?
That's enough of that.
Oh, what are you going to do? Is that... Wait, did we... I thought... Did we already do this? You better run.
Does jumping at the...
That'll work better.
Still nothing.
Looks like we got some wolves. I need to drink some water. I think we'll be okay. Looks like we got a wolf and their puppies. And we miss a mesquite. Should I stay or should I go? Should I stay or should I go? Oh! That's what I get. That is what I get, man. Alright, alright, alright. Hey, buddy. That's not what I meant to get. Whoa, I don't know where that went. I don't know if we can shoot through this. No, we have we? I don't know. Who gives a shit? Let's go. I think I went and killed the Powder Ganger leaders, but I didn't send in the NCR after them yet. I don't know how I did that. I might have like messed it up. Who knows? Who knows and who cares, man?
Does jumping at them with my fist?
You're gonna learn to like that gun, Veronica. You're gonna learn to like it. Who the fuck is this? Oh, it's just a prospector. It is just a prospector. Hey,
Don't take another step if you value your life.
don't make me kill
What
you.
purpose do you approach me?
We doing way up here.
That's none of your business. I suggest you head back the way you came.
Really? Whatever.
Don't take another step if you value... Strange that the Elder should send an outsider, but I suppose he has his reasons. My observations have mostly focused on the small town to the south of here. It was cruelly attacked, its inhabitants slain nearly to the last. That such an act could occur so far west is nearly unthinkable. The NCR has forces in all directions, and an outpost scant miles west from here. That they have not responded to this violence shows either an unwillingness or inability to properly defend their borders, which is telling. I've collected such musings in this report. Please take it to the Elder.
My mom, Colleen, makes the best coffee I've ever tasted. Everybody loves it, not just me. I try to make it, but it's never as good as hers.
Let's go up through here. There's something up here. There's something on our radar up here. We gotta check this shit out. Hidden supply cave. What do we have here? Get that shit out of my damn face, Veronica. Oh shit. That looks cool. And so does this. What the fuck? It's either I put in, these are mods, or I don't know what the hell they are, but I'm glad they're here. I'm glad they're here. We need some big weapons. We needed some big weapons, man. We needed something cool. We needed something cool beyond the EC pack. I don't know if that's bugged or not. I like that. Oh. Another 308. That looks pretty cool. Well, that was worth it, I'd say. I say that was worth it. Alright, let's head down here. We got a couple of blips on it. Ow! Game being mean to me. Why? Ah, that's Nipton. I was wondering what in the hell is that over there?
You know, I don't think I'll ever forget this place.
You probably won't.
Trouble.
Now, did the Cazador run off? I think he ran off. So I do not see him.
Gotcha.